Well, let's see how that works. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is fresh out today. It's a number 4 seller called Rapid Recurring Revenue. And it's all about using membership sites. And I know when I saw that, I'm like, membership sites. I must have heard about that 20 years ago. Well, this is way different than that. First off, I like to start at the finish, which is if you click that link in the video description, come to my site, click the product box, you can grab this for $8.71 right now. And you're still going, what do I care? So let's take a look inside. What is the big deal about this? We're inside the sales page for it here. I'm going to scream up to about, here we go. So there's your rapid recurring revenue. And they say here, this is a 5-step blueprint so you can create a profitable recurring revenue stream. You've heard that before. How about this? R, research your profitable niche the right way. Okay. A, assemble your content faster than you ever thought possible. That's where the AI comes in. P, plan your membership with minimal tech headaches. I, implement a marketing strategy that converts like crazy. And D, delight your members so they stay longer and spend more. And what he talks about is, here we go, fixed term memberships. So let's go down on this. Fixed term memberships is something that you've never heard of. So higher completion rates, more money being spent, and people think, I'm in it for 3 months, 6 months, until this happens. Fixed term memberships with a clear start and end dates generate 43% more lifetime revenue per member than traditional ongoing memberships. Wow, I've never heard of such a thing. What the heck is a fixed term membership? That's what this is all about. I'm going to let you screen past some of the, I'm eating an apple, by the way. Let you screen past some of the, all sorts of great things. You can read this. Click the link and come to my site and then click the product box like this. And you'll be you can watch the demo video, listen to what it's all about. He's going to go through all this. So I'm going to scream down here. 30 days from now. So here we go. Here's how this all works. 30 days from now, your fixed term membership is up and running. So you're not spending a year creating the perfect thing. You're going, bam, let's go. And instead of starting each month at 0, you've got your first 10 to 15 members paying you automatically every month. You wake up to payment notifications without having to chase new sales. That's 1 month from today. So it'll be the 15th of February. 60 days from now, we're into March, your membership has grown to 30 to 50 members. These are not crazy numbers. While others are still hustling for one-off sales, making $7 at a time or whatever it is, you're now earning $1,000 to $2,500. Again, this is an $8.71 piece of coaching. You're going to be generating a couple thousand in recurring monthly revenue, whether you're working or not, and you're spending just 2 to 3 hours a week maintaining your system. Again, this is 2 months from now. And then 90 days from now, you've crossed the 100-member threshold. So you had 10 to 15 people a month from now, 30 to 50 people 2 months from now. You're now up to about 100 people 90 days from now. So February, March, April, middle of April. Hey, that's my birthday, April 15th. So in 3 months, your monthly revenue is now $3,000 to $5,000. And you're generating this. Again, what did it say before? You're working 2 to 3 hours a week maintaining the system. 365 days from now, so we're into 2027. That sounds crazy. Your membership is growing to several hundred members. You're consistently earning $10,000 plus per month in predictable, reliable income. Well, I'm going to just kind of go blah, blah, blah. That's a hypothetical example, but getting 10 to 15 members is reasonable. Growing it to 30 to 50 members in 2 months, working hard is reasonable. 90 days hitting 100 people. Wow, all of a sudden, you don't need to do any of the, several hundred members and all that. You get to 100 people and you're making decent money and it's coming in automatically. And the big twist to this is brand new system. I'm going to scream to the bottom. I'm going to go brand new system. They're guaranteed it. And look, so here you go. No, I don't want to see the bonuses. I want to go to, goes up after every sale. Let's just stop right there. $8.71, rapid recurring revenue. Click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can read a little bit about it there and then click the product box and you'll come right back to this page and you can scroll down and grab it for $8.71 as I'm recording this at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, Vancouver, BC time on the 15th of January. It's going up on a dime sale, so grab it now. And if you like the idea of recurring income like that with a fixed start and finish date, and a lot of the content's generated through AI, this is your under $9, $10,000 a month blueprint. I don't know if I could do anything more than say, go click the link and go check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is called Rapid Recurring Revenue. Fresh out today. Enjoy.